Segue Manufacturing Service is a contract manufacturing company where we help customers bring their products to market, whether they're new products or legacy products.
So Segue builds a wide range of products from simple cables up to very complex systems. Some examples of these products include disposable endoscopes for medical diagnostics, cables for ventilators, harnesses for electric cars, cables for advanced robotics, as well as sterilization systems and sterilization components.
We handle products from 3D printers all the way to sterilization machines. If they want us to build it, we can do it for them.
Segway's customers are a variety. We have large multinational OEMs as well as local and regional customers that align with Segway's capabilities.
Because Segue specializes in complex industries with very demanding and exacting requirements, we're more than a build-to-print house. Segway's engineering team works collaboratively, almost on a daily basis with most customers to understand the requirements, resolve problems, and to provide innovative solutions to the most demanding challenges.
I would say our customers like the ability that Segue has to adapt. The Segue team always has a constant line of communication open with our customers, from the engineering team to help them solve their problems to their program management team, always available for anybody's call.
In order to stay ahead of our competitors and in order to deliver the most effective solutions to our customers, we must continually invest in improved technology and innovation. I also like the unique value proposition that Segue has, with not only a factory in Massachusetts, but a factory in Xiamen, China. We are unique in that our China factory has quality that meets or exceeds all of the most stringent requirements for demanding customers, including those in the medical space.
Over the past 30 years, I feel Segway's success is selecting the right customers that fit our business model and those customers that understand the value Segway offers. Segway goes the extra mile.
What makes our team tick is our constant drive for success and quality.
Fundamentally, the reason why customers return to Segue over and over again is due to the commitment to quality and meeting the customer's exacting standards.
I would say Segway's X factor is that as an organization, we always find a way to say yes to the customer. We can do this or we can do that.
Without our hardworking team, we couldn't provide any of the solutions that we do to any of our customers. The future's bright.